Hello from Binary Mechanics Lab. This is James Keene. The Binary Mechanics Lab simulator is hotspot.exe. It tries to set itself up for a proper window display at runtime, but I've noticed that in later versions of Windows, sometimes they have some new options there, which seems to result in a garbled display, which looks like complete nonsense. This little video here is going to show you how, on the first run of hotspot.execute, how to set up the display in a proper way. First, we would right-click on the little icon in the upper left-hand portion of the screen. Then we would click Properties. In the Options tab, after you select it, the buffer size and number of buffers should be set as follows. In the Font tab, select 8 by 12 character size and raster fonts. This font is important because the simulator display uses a number of strange characters which are in raster fonts, and therefore it won't display correctly unless you have the raster fonts selected. To make the display more square looking in terms of the simulated volume, if you choose 8 by 8 character size, that will happen. However, the text might be a little bit more difficult to read with this character size. Next, choose the Layout tab and select your screen buffer size as shown here. I'm not sure why the 9999 has to be such a big value, but that's what my working copy has, and so be it. At any rate, this is very important. The width should be 102 characters, and the height, which should be 55 rows. You can position the window anywhere you want. 00 just puts it in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. When you've done that, click OK, and we are done. For this particular program, hotspot.exe, Windows will remember this setup so that therefore, as long as you run it on a particular Windows machine, you should be okay and have a proper display. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.